Hello everyone, this is Source Codex, aka Jazz Fusion Guy, with a rebar hack. So, you got several landscape timbers you need to go through, and this is not a short piece of rebar. How do you make that happen better? My drill bit, my spade bit, or whatever, that I put the hole in to put this through, and I've got a good sledgehammer. How do you make it easier for this rebar to go through several depths of landscape timber? Well, first things first, you get yourself a rag, you wet it, because if you don't, you're going to get burnt marks on your wood. So you've got your wet rag there. Get your sander grinder going, and you get into it. That's a pretty good looking tip. Let's make it a little sharper. That's not bad at all. I did one earlier, and that's the tip I got on that one. Let's add a little bit more of a tip. Okay, I like that good. So, you go from a rebar looking like that, which is going to be really difficult to get pounded through, even with a big sledgehammer, through several depths of wood, when your drill bit is just not long enough to accommodate the whole rebar. Save yourself a lot of trouble by putting a tip on it. I've done this many times before and it works great. Alright, so that's my rebar hack. I hope you've enjoyed it. Now I got to get back to work, putting in a new retaining wall out back. Ciao. Nice.